Hi, I'm Joanne Redgrove. One of the things we hear often is that people feel that they can complete other people's spreadsheets, but they really wouldn't know where to start if they were creating their own. So that's something that we cover on our introduction to Excel. We often hear that people say that formulas are really complicated and we wouldn't really know how to do those, how to create them, how to work with them. We can't possibly get our heads around them. So if that's right for you, those are two of the main things that we cover on our introduction to Excel. We first find out what you know already, and that might be nothing, and then we build on that knowledge to give you confidence and knowledge of how spreadsheets work. We throw in a bit of formatting and printing, and just like that you've got the foundations and confidence to create and use spreadsheets without the fear of breaking them. Do get in touch if you'd like to know anything else. We look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.